We have here two sides and an angle given, and the angle here is opposite one of the sides. So this is the side-side angle configuration. And side-side angle is what we call the ambiguous case, because there are multiple different possibilities. We could end up with no solution, one solution, two solutions. So we're going to start by drawing a picture here. We have the angle of 53 degrees, so go ahead and draw that. And the side adjacent to that angle that we know is the 32. And the side opposite the angle is 18, okay? And so it's going to be coming down, and we're not sure how far it can come down. We're not sure if it connects. And in order to find that, we can just go about using the law of sines to see what happens. So this angle that I know B, and this side B, and this side A, we're going to start by trying to find the angle A, okay, the place where this side would connect down here. So the law of sines states sine of A over side A equals sine of B, which in this case is the 53 degrees, over side length B. And then if we multiply both sides by 32, we get sine of A equals 32 sine of 53 degrees over 18. Let's go ahead and plug that into the calculator. And note that what we're going to end up with is pretty special. So we have 32 sine of 53 divided by 18. And what we end up with is 1.4 about. Okay. Now note what that's saying. That's saying that sine of A is equal to 1.4. However, we know that the sine function never gives a value outside of the range -1 to 1. Okay. This 1.4 is outside of that range. Now, if you don't remember that, you could try solving for A by doing the inverse sine of that. But if we do that, we have inverse sine of that number, and you get an error. Okay, and my calculator says undefined. Okay, this is undefined, meaning that there is no solution. No solution. In other words, these measurements are not the measurements of any triangle.